We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned we are more interested to look for buy, but we need to see the breakout of this low, which is 0.1 to 12 cent. That's why we mentioned the best thing is this one give us one more drop, and exactly this is what we get. That's why we mentioned we can expect the price drop to 0.112. As you can see, the price drop and even break and even retest the previous low. That's why we mentioned we can expect to get one more drop, and right now we looking at this flat, and as I mentioned, the price drop and even break what as what we expected. And now what we want to look for reversal. Okay, that's mean if we get any trade set up for buy within this range, if we get any reversal, we take it. When with the breakout of this, we have to start to manage. If there is a continuation, we're looking for 0.16. Most of the charts they had the similar movement. Okay, no, still we can expect the price even retest the previous low, but we are not really good. I mean, we are not looking for sell because first we are within this correction. If you want to look for sell, we're looking at the lowest price, okay, of this correction. We're looking at this. And even if we want to look for sell, we don't have any trade set up. And that's why if any we get any reversal in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us better trade setup. The only times we can look for sell if we get a deeper correction here that give us a confirmation for continuation. But right now what I see here, mostly we can look for reversal, and even if we get the reversal, this is what we are more interested to look for. Okay, and as I mentioned, most of the charts they had a similar movement, and mostly they're following a Bitcoin because this down move was because of the Bitcoin. And again, based on daily chart, we can expect the price to consolidate here for longer time before we look for buy. Even if we mentioned my last analysis, if we get any reversal from here with the breakout of this top, we have to start to manage because we're looking at this flat. Selling at the top, it can give us better opportunity to look for rather than selling at this lowest price of this correction. That's why if we move to 1 hour chart, if we want to look for sell, the only times is either we get the deeper correction here, it confirm the continuation, or the price drop and break the previous low. Then from there we look for sell. Selling within this range without giving us a deeper correction is not a really good idea. It doesn't mean the price cannot drop and continue. It can, but in terms of the risk and reward, the trades, how we can look for buy a trade. I mean, what kind of the trade we can get that can give us better risk and reward. That's why for me, any reversal I will prefer. That's why I mentioned most of the charts they had a similar movement. That's mean we can expect for the reversal. But right now we don't have any trade set up for buy. At least we need to see the reversal with a sharp move flag. Then from there we can look for buy. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.